Hello, my name is David Pickering. I am from London. I'm a former soloist dancer from the Royal Ballet Company, and I now work with the learning and participation team at the Royal Ballet and Opera.
And my name is Elizabeth Foster, and I'm a freelance dance artist, and I work for the Royal Ballet Learning and Participation Department, and I do a lot of work with David.
It's great to be in Seoul, in Korea. It's great to work with new people and learn from them, and to pass on our stories and our teaching practices to this group. What moved me always is seeing the emotional response that people offer through their dance.
서울식물원 전문해설사 황미화입니다. 정원에서 우리가 힐링과 치유를 경험할 수 있는 프로그램을 진행을 했습니다.
And we experienced the beauty of nature, the plants, the animals, the smells, the ambience, and we brought all of that back into the dance space, and it helped us through our process of dancing and healing.
I think it's been really wonderful to see what synergies, what commonalities there are with the healing work in the botanical gardens and the work that we do with dance. Both of them are really immersive. When you're dancing, you're in the moment. When you're in the gardens, you're really immersed in all that beauty. So there's such similarities in the way that they can impact and help the individual. So it's been an absolute pleasure to be introduced to these gardens and to take inspiration from the gardens and to align that with the way that we work and with our dance practice. So that's been absolutely wonderful.
I feel people are far more open to share quite private and personal situations, more so than they might do by using their voices and talking through movement and dance. I get to enjoy that by watching beautiful dancing.
앞으로 내가 어떻게 살아가야 될지 굉장히 고민을 하고 있었는데 무용을 통해서 내가 진정 원하는 건 뭘까를 조금 고민해보는 시간이었습니다.
그 동작 표현하는 순간 약간 울컥하는 기분도 들고 마음이 굉장히 정화된다? 눈도 정화되고 머리도 정화되고 마음도 정화되고
몸으로 움직였는데 오히려 마음이 더 풍요로운 느낌.
몸을 움직이는 걸 통해서 제 마음을 많이 오픈하게 되었습니다. 정말 치유가 돼서 너무 좋은 프로그램이었고 감사드립니다.